Hello everybody, my name is Jemmy, and today I'm going to be continuing my series of teaching myself Python in the future so I don't forget Python in the future. And I'm going to be showing you random module, I guess, in this video, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a rock paper scissors type of game. You can actually use instead of rock paper scissors, it could be something else. Today I'm going to make it a Pokemon game, so let me show you what I made and what we're going to be making by the end of this video. So let's launch Jupyter Notebook really quickly, like so. And I'm sorry if the green screen doesn't look that good. I'm in a not great recording situation, I guess, but you know, it's only for like a couple videos. It should be fixed like next week or something. And then so once we're in Jupyter, let me open my little thingy here. I'm not sure which one it is. It might be like I think it's this one. I didn't name it, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I didn't name it. Okay, that's pretty bad because I didn't know what it was. So always name your Python files. And so basically, first we're going to be importing random, right? Because we need to do that, since if we don't, then we can't have the random module. So once we imported it, I will run the code, and basically what it does is it says, welcome to fire, water, grass, basically rock, paper, scissors, also known as FWG or FUG. Press enter to start the battle. So let's press enter. By the way, this is a Pokemon type game or something. So which Pokemon type do you choose? Fire, water, grass. Let's pick water. You chose water type. The computer chooses fire. You win. Okay, and we can try that again, right? Let's search fire. You chose fire. The computer chooses water. Oh no, you lost. Retry. Okay, let's choose water again. Oh, it's that's the wrong one. Oh, I lost again. They chose grass. Okay, wait. Let me try grass. Oh, I keep on forgetting. Okay, grass. The computer chooses water. You win. Easy. Okay. So basically, that's what we're gonna be doing, and it's not showing now because it's like luck based, but it actually has a tide too. So if the computer chooses the same thing as you, then it ties. And yeah, we're gonna be making that, and the ASCII art I will show you how to get that too. So yeah, let's start making it. Alright, so once we're in Jupyter Notebook, I just closed out that notebook. We can open a new Python IPY kernel, and we're gonna rename it this time. We're gonna rename it to something that actually means, so like random. Yeah, I'm gonna name it EP3. I'm pretty sure. Random. Is it EP3 or I'm not sure. I think it's EP5. I lost track. I was just gonna say random module. Random module. And I'll just say random module. Okay, and click rename. And first, the most important thing is to import the module. Okay, there you go. And the module name is going to be random in this case, so we're going to import random like so. Control enter. You might need to wait a bit if you don't have it installed, but I already have it installed, so I just run it and it's instant. So we can press run, and then after that it will actually create a new cell right here, and from here we're going to be make the game here. Okay, and in there we're gonna have first we're gonna welcome them, of course, as we always do. Welcome. You can be very biased because it's your own game. Welcome to the best, I'm gonna capitalize best, the best Pokemon battle you will ever see. Okay, you will ever play in. Okay, there you go. Now just to give them a little hint of what they're going into, we're gonna have a start right here, as we always do. Start equals to input, which is basically going to wait for the user to put in their answer, and our input is going to be saying press enter to start, like so, with a little thingy here and that. Okay, perfect. And then now once you have this, we can run it. Press enter to start. So press enter. It doesn't really do anything yet, but we can, after that, we can ask them another question. So let's say choose. Wait. Let's say player choice, like so. Player choice equals to input. Sorry if the camera's shaking a little because I'm typing and it's on my laptop, so it's a little shaky, and the desk is also kind of shaking. Input. What type of Pokemon do you choose? like so, and we're gonna have little parentheses for them to see what they can choose. So I'm gonna have fire, water, and grass. You can actually search up Pokemon type chart and go into images, and then there's a bunch of 2 means it's effective. So water against fire is effective, so water wins. Electric against water, electric wins. And you can basically look around this chart right here. I chose fire, water, and grass because they all loop around to each other. I have a Google document. Let's see, Google. I'm not sure which one it is, but basically all it says, is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. So basically what it does is fire beats grass, and then water beats fire, and then grass beats water. So it loops around in a full circle, and that's why I chose those 3, because it's like rock, paper, scissors. Rock beats scissor, scissor beats paper, and paper beats rock. So it's like a little circle. You can even add more how do you call it, more like options or more types, but then that will increase it. So right now the if statement is at 9, I'm pretty sure, for tie, win, loss for every single one of them. So tie, win, loss, tie, win, loss, tie, win, loss. So this is gonna be 9. And if you add 4 in, there might be like 2 wins, 2 losses. I don't even know how that would work anymore. Maybe 2 ties. So I would say at 3, which is pretty good number. So make a little chart for you because it's gonna get confusing. You can use the same thing as me if you want, but you can make your own if you want to get creative. All right, now once you got that out of the way, let's start continuing the coding. So let's try this out. Okay, don't mind if it goes up there. It always does that for some reason. Sometimes it goes down, sometimes it goes up. What type of Pokemon do you choose? So fire. That's it. But now the thing is, we got to make sure that whatever they put in, so they could put in like all caps fire like that, and it would still work, because Python is very case sensitive. So if you put like capitalization but in the if statement there's lowercase, it won't work. However, to make sure that it will always be lowercase, we have dot lower parentheses at the end of the input. This way it will force whatever they put in to be all lowercase. So we can even try printing this out. So print player choice like so, control enter, and then let's put in all caps, or maybe not all caps, like so fire like that, and then you can see it print out fire, so it will just force everything to be lowercase. All right, now once we have that out of the way, we can add our I think I'll add the ASCII art first. So we're gonna have player, well, not player, print you chose, and then whatever they have. So add a little space plus player choice like so, plus now we're gonna have an exclamation point, you chose blah blah. Okay, and then we're gonna print an ASCII art. So the way to find an ASCII art is, oh wait, that that won't work because okay, we gotta do something else. So we gotta make a list. So type list like so equals to whatever you have. So fire, water, and grass. Okay, and now when the player chooses something, we're gonna always have these ones. So well, this is for the bot. I'm pretty sure this is for the bot. The player, I think we gotta have an if statement for the player too. If you want to ASCII art, follow along. If you don't, then skip this part. But we're gonna take a step further. So if a player choice like so equals to fire, and then colon, then tab this one, print you chose plus player choice, and this way we can copy paste easier. And then we're also gonna print out print 1 2 3 to make it so that we can print multiple lines. We're gonna print out the fire, so we can search up fire ASCII art like so, and we're gonna press the second one. And the first one doesn't really work for me, and then you can see we have a bunch of options here. You can choose any of them, but sometimes they are very big, so I recommend just sticking with a small one like this one. This is the one I actually used, so we can just paste that right in the middle. Nice. Okay, now once we have that, we can try testing it. Enter fire. Okay, we forgot to make these ones a string. All right, let's try again. Fire. You chose fire, and then there you go, the fire appears. If you want to make it look better, what I would recommend to do is make it a little spaced out. We actually have to change these into like triple single quotes, so we can make it multiple lines. It's a little bit more difficult, but if you want to do it, then you can. I wouldn't recommend doing this actually, since it's very not good. Okay, there. Let's try it again. Fire. You chose fire, and there you go. I'm going to delete this one so that it doesn't have that indentation. Fire. Okay, there you go. Okay, now it looks much nicer and much more spaced out. And what we can do here is we can just copy this, Control C, and then paste it in here, and then you can paste. Oops. Make sure to delete the indentation, and we paste it 3 times. And now this one we're going to change to water. This one we change to grass. Make sure they're all lowercase. And then after that we can just change the ASCII art. So to find a wave, it's kind of hard, so let's search up wave in here. I mean, to find something that looks like water, it's kind of hard, but if you search up wave, it should work. You can choose any of them. I think I'll just choose like this one or something that's small. I think this is smaller, but you can't really tell that's a wave, so I'll just choose this one. It looks pretty good. Yeah, none of them is good after that one. Okay, let's choose wave. And let's paste it in here. Alright. Hey, that's pretty good. That's not too big. And then from here, we're going to get a plant. Okay, let me close these two. So plant. Sorry. Plant. Okay. Submit combo. Oh, I think I need to search up in here. Oh, yeah. Loading. Let's see if there's any good ones. Okay, that one's not bad. We'll come back to that. Okay, I like this one. We're gonna copy this one. I couldn't find a good plant last time, so it looks pretty bad. Alright, so once we have everything, make sure to use emojicombos.com. It's much better than the whatever like .eu that one was. That one was horrible. You had to adjust everything on your own, but this one looks pretty good. Let's try it again. So let's try grass this time. You chose grass. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's choose water. Oh, I forgot water. Yeah, that also looks really good. Okay, this is better than last time actually. The emojis are not emojis. ASCII art is much more same sized. Last time one of them was big, one of them was small. It was really weird. And then all of them like looks like what it's supposed to represent. So that's good too. And okay, once we've got the ASCII art out of the way, let's do the randoming. I don't know how to call that, the random stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna copy type list and put it down here so it's easier for us to see. And then after that, I'm going to make so that the robot chooses it. So I'm gonna search I'm not gonna search computer choice. That's gonna be a variable equals to random dot rand int, like so. And then from there we're gonna have 0, comma 3, 0, comma 2, sorry, because now we can actually use fire, water, and grass, since Python starts at 0. So you start at 0, 1, 2 instead of 1 to 3, which will cause 1, 2, 3, and then 3 is not there, so it's gonna cause an error. And that's why we have to 0 to 2. You can have it 1 to 3 if you want, but then you would have to subtract 1 off when you print it out. So let's print it out. So let's print let's copy this one. You chose this entire thing. Okay, wait, not the entire thing, just this much. Okay, perfect. And then now we're gonna paste it into here, like so. And instead of you chose, we're gonna the computer chose, and then plus computer choice. Oh wait, that won't work, right? Let's see. Oh no, we can, that can work. We can just do type list, like so. Oh yeah, we can just copy. Okay, this works. We can copy type list into here, and then from there we can parentheses this. So type list computer choice. So it's gonna 0, 1, 2, and then let's try it out. Unindented. Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, there. Press enter. Oh jeez. Okay, what type of Pokemon do you choose? I choose fire. You chose fire, and then there's an error. List object is not callable. List object is not callable. Type list computer choice. What went wrong there? list object is not callable. Do we have to make this an str? I'm pretty sure we do. Okay, I forgot to convert it to an str, but it should work now. Fire. It's still not working. Str type list. Let's try printing it. Oh, we can have another if statement. So if computer choice equals, I'm indenting that. If computer choice equals to 0, then what we want to do is we want to print the computer chooses blah blah. Okay, so we're gonna copy this and we're gonna paste it in here like so. We're gonna delete this, and then we're gonna we're gonna indent that a little bit. So the computer chose, and we're gonna put fire in here. So we're gonna delete that fire like so, and then we're gonna copy this one more time, or 2 more times actually, like so. I'm pretty sure there's a better way of doing this, but I don't know it right now. So we can just do this 0, 1, and 2. So the computer chooses water is the second option, and then grass is the grass is the third option, like so. Okay, fire. The computer shows grass. Okay, now it works. Okay, there's probably a much better way of doing this, but I don't know it at the moment, so I really don't know how to do it. And the last time we did it, that didn't really work out either. So once we have done this, we're gonna have a lot of if statements now. So we can or there's another way. We can have the computer print an ASCII art too. That would be kind of cool. Let's have the computer print out the ASCII art as well. So chose grass, right? Let's have another one. Okay, and then this is water type, right? So copy this. Where's the water? Here. Okay. Up here, print the computer shows water. Okay, right here. Paste that. All right, and then grab the fire like so, and then go to the fire type one right here. There. Okay, and then print that as well. All right, now let's try saving this first, and then let's run it. Okay, let's see. Okay, unexpected indent. So something got indented. Here, delete this. Something else got deleted. Chose grass. Where is that? In 22. Here. Okay, let's try it out. Another one, man. Okay, is there anything else? I don't think there is, so this time it should work. Okay, it does work. Okay, fire. You chose fire, the computer chose grass. Okay, that's much more visual, and we can actually see what's going on, so I like that better. And now we're gonna make the if statement. So if player choice, right? Is it called player choice? Yeah, it's called player choice. Okay, if player choice equals to fire, so we're gonna work on fire first, and computer choice, right? Computer choice. Okay, computer choice equals to 0. So this is fire and fire. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna print utide. Try again. Try again. Okay, we're gonna copy this and then paste it a couple times. Paste. Make sure there's no indent. So after that, just change this by 1, 2, and then from there change the string inside. Instead of you tied, so if computer versus water, that means you lost. So you lost ... try again. Okay, and then for fire versus grass, that means you win. So you win, like so. All right, and we're gonna copy this one more time, twice. So 1, 2. Okay, now we gotta be very, very, very careful with this. So we're gonna count 1, 2, 3. Now we'll go with this one, water, and from this one, grass, grease, no grass. Okay, grass again. All right, and then now we're gonna have to change this up a little bit. So instead of you win, you lost. So if water and fire, that means water wins. So we're gonna Control C this one, Control V on top of this one, and then if water versus water, that means you are tied. So Control C, you tied. So Control C, Control V. All right, and then now you lost because water versus grass. Grass wins. So you lost. Try again. All right, here. All right, and then now let's do grass. So grass versus fire. That means they lost. So we already have that copied. So we're gonna might as well just paste it in. All right, and then if grass versus water, that means they win. So copy you win and put that right in here. That's versus water. And if grass versus grass, that means you tied. Try again. Copy this and then paste it in here like so, and that should be good. So let's try running this. Press enter to start. What type of Pokemon do you choose? Fire. You chose fire. The computer chose fire. You tied. Try again. Okay, let's try water. Oh, sorry, water. You chose water. Your computer chose grass. No, we lost. Okay, let's try again. This is kind of fun. Fire. Let's try water. No, grass. Let's try grass. Oh wait. Okay, grass. No, how does it keep on tying with me? Okay, we're gonna choose fire. There's no way it's gonna get fire again. No way, I'm not gonna win. Oh no, I'm gonna stick with fire. Come on, I love fire type Pokemons. Come on. No, I tied. Come on, there must be. I must win. There's no way I'm gonna lose everything. Wait, I'm sticking with fire. Fire. Dude, no way. The computer. What? I didn't program it to do this. Okay. Let's see. Water. Yes, we finally won after like 6 games. Oh my gosh, I'm the most unluckiest person in the entire world. Okay. Grass. Okay, we lost though. Okay, at least we won once. Okay, so that's how to make fun little rock paper scissors game in Python. I hope you enjoyed this episode. It was a bit scuffed, especially the camera and stuff, but I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.